Okay, Shane, tell us about the new ride.
Well, I told you at the first video that we're gonna check it out. We might get two.
Oh, you got two.
Yeah, it's a virus.
So it bit you. It bit you big.
It did. Yeah.
Nice.
So we're ready to go. See what happens again.
Nice setup. I mean,
Yeah,
it's a good looking kart. It ought to be pretty much up front, pretty quick. So.
Okay, hopefully.
Yeah. It's up to the driver.
Yeah, no. Yeah, oh, no, you can do that too.
That's true. We need to maybe christen the body a little bit.
Yeah.
I don't know. So a little too straight there, Shane. We might have to give it a wrinkle or two.
Yeah. That means you're racing if the wrinkles come.
No, it's a nice ride. Nice ride. And hi, what's your name?
My name is Ling.
Ling, how's it going, Ling?
It's going good.
Yeah? And how many times have you been racing so far?
Like, I think this is my 4th race.
Uh-huh.
Yeah.
And how do you like it so far?
It's actually really nice. I like it.
Yeah? What is it that you like about it?
I don't know, the, like... Huh? Yeah. Probably like the excitement of it.
Yeah.
Yeah. I really like that, like, you know everyone here, you know? Yeah.
Nice.
That's
You
about
got
it.
a nice looking kart too.
Thank you. My dad wrapped it.
Yeah. So thanks to Dad.
Mm-hmm.
Okay. So what are you expecting for tonight? What are your hopes for tonight?
First place.
Tonight.
It's looking pretty good. I like to see, check out this new sponsor I got.
Yeah. Let's go with that.
This one right here, Fort Verde Suites. It's
Oh,
right
nice.
on Main Street. It's like 3 minutes away from the track.
Nice.
Go down there and see Beverly. I'll tell you what, she really nice lady. It's a home away from home.
Yeah.
Like I say, we come Tucson and we like Camp Verde and Fort Verde Suites. I'll tell you what, nice place. I mean, it helps
Nice.
me out. But they're good people, and they've never, like I say, they've never sponsored anything.
Yeah.
So hopefully I can put a good show on for them.
Okay.
And also celebrating America's birthday, 250
Yeah.
years. Check this out.
Oh, nice.
What do you think?
Nice. Patriotic wheels.
Patriotic rail. You got it. So that's what we got for in store for today. But
Okay.
hopefully we can get it done.
Cool. What's your name?
Wendell.
Wendell. How you doing, Wendell?
Doing good.
So brand new to racing, or?
No, I've raced other cars over the years.
Okay, but new to karting.
New to karting, yeah.
Oh, nice. So first night?
Second night.
Second.
I raced a month ago.
Okay. So what do you think so far?
Oh, it's a lot of fun. I was telling Shane, it feels like any other car.
Yeah.
I mean, it's just downsized, and so
Right.
you get the same feeling, though.
Yeah.
Yeah.
For a
So
little bit of a cheaper price too.
yeah, considerably
A little
cheaper.
bit,
Yeah. Yeah, but no, I'm looking forward to it. It's been fun, and I get to do it with my cousin, so that's a lot of fun.
Nice.
Yeah.
So he drove you into this.
He did. Yeah.
He did.
Yeah.
So you're to blame for this, Shane.
Well, look, he's got room for grandkid carts. I don't have that much room.
Nice.
Yeah.
Wendell, it's good to have you.
Yeah, well, thank you.
All right.
Yeah.
Okay, Big Papa, what do we got for tonight?
Well, we're going to run super stocks. We're going to try to maintain the point lead we got in the old timers. And we'll see. We're trying some different stuff, but got a couple of carts for sale, you know. So just trying to figure out exactly what I want to do. I sold my yellow one, and no seller's remorse or anything, but I do kind of miss it. But it is what it is.
It
It's
was
racing.
good to you, wasn't it?
Oh, that cart was great. Now it runs ladies division.
Yeah.
So we'll see. The kid's running. I gave him one of my old carts, the one that was the Trump cart, 45-47. He made it to 58K because we were having some handling issues with his super stock. So I want him to get up in points, so we put him in a little bit better piece of equipment. So
Okay.
that's where we're at.
Okay, Rosie, what
Don't
you
get
got?
me spraying in my eye.
What you got going on tonight?
Hoping it works. I have
You
not.
mean it might not work?
I haven't finished a single race this year.
Oh, you haven't?
Nope.
All because of mechanical stuff?
Yeah.
Yeah.
I lost a nut the last race that was holding onto my throttle.
Yeah.
Lost it.
Okay. So the big goal tonight is just to finish.
Top 10. That's the goal. Top 10.
In what class?
Super stock.
Super stock. Okay.
Hopefully a win in women.
Okay, kiddo. We're counting on you.